Hey everyone, my name is Patneet Kaur and today I'm going to share my views on the search engine optimization and how it can be factored for the small businesses. So did you give your means any idea or your understanding about search engine optimization is? So you can think about that for some seconds, then start with that. So first, like from the search engine, we know it's about the Google, about the Yahoo. Then, and for the optimization, it means to get the result as best one as possible. So first, what is local SEO? So first to give the definition of the book, it could be oh, I don't know when what is happening. So first, if we have to start with the local SEO, and if I have to give the exact definition, it would be the optimization of a website for the local search results. Means to put it simply, if we means anything in Fresno, it gives us the result around the Fresno, not of the LA, San Francisco. So that is due to the SEO. So it's as it's written here also, it's about giving results based on the searcher's current location. And for example, you're starting a business, small business, and you want people to search it means based on the effective keywords, like for instance homemade food in downtown Dallas. That will be due to the local SEO. And now why means why as a small business university we're giving um, this this whole presentation on SEOs. And so means why small business owners need local SEO. it it will help you to get the results from the locals, because if the people means around us will know us, then our business will do more, will do means more effective, and it will offer us a high return on investment. So no other form of online marketing offers means ROI like the local SEO. And it also adds authenticity to your business, means when your business appears on the map and your customers get to know about you, it it helps, means it is more consider your business to be means authentic. And also means everyone had phone now, means nowadays, so it is very helpful for the phone searchers, as it helps to get the local partners and connections. Now, what are the factors that affect SEO for the small business owners? Means now Google is the biggest and the best search engine that we have. Even they had their statement that whenever people do any research or any search, it's based on the relevance, distance, and prominence. So these are the three factors that help to find the best match for your search. And to means give a thought, even when we do any search, for example, we search for to give an example, like means homemade food in Fresno, we get the number of list of like at number one that there is this food, at number two that there is this shop, like that. Means that is based on the prominence, means the best, the one that is getting the reviews, the means the more close it is at the number one, and the far away is it is at the last number. Means we have to build that relevance and prominence on Google if we have to means succeed on the local search results. Now, what are the ways means we can use local SEO for the small businesses? First is we have to create the best, means the name, means we have to do the best search website name. If like you don't understand the domain name, that reflects the business type. Means what's the type of it and what's will be its location. For example, Billy Bakery. There's some bakery named Billy Bakery. And what would be the best name of it on the search results? It will be billybakerynyc.com, because it is giving the name also, as well as the means the place where it is. So it is always good to add keywords on the page titles that means identify your business, its services, and its location. And now see, you're getting the name of the business, means the name of the person that is starting the business, and what's the service of it is. It's bakery, right? And what's the location? It's NYC. So you're giving all the three results in the one search result. So it means it's better to then one research on it, your business name, its address, phone number, information. These are all means important on your home page. Means it so it's good if you get the individual page on your website. Now, once we created the means page, this Billy Bakery NYC. Now, what are the essential things that should be inside this page? First, like simply, even if we see also, if we search any means specify food store, it has all the photos, videos, the website URL, and means other key information. Even we see also means, and it should be good also means, in case you're starting a small business and you're doing it for the first time. So these are the means important requirements to attract the potential customers. So, and also always ensure that your business is in the appropriate categories. Means you had a food business and it is getting shown on the nail business, so that can be a problem. So have the name that shows them in the category that is appropriate to it. Now, as I've already told, that Billy Bakery NYC include both the business type also, like it's a bakery, and also it's an where it is. It's in NYC. So don't means use much of the keywords. For example, you're starting a business, naming it with Billy Bakery cookies, cakes, hot chocolate. It means the search engine will never take a note of it, and it always impact your result in the negative way. And also these are if you have to go further, means to further your efforts, or to do a more hard work, if I can say, uh, there's a listing providers, means that helps you to give the name, means Neostar or Local SEO, means these are, I can say, some businesses that means automate the process, means how you can it's be at the top, and how to get updated every time, means across the means there's so many business at every 1 mile, if we can say. So these are some of the top listing providers, Neostar and Localies or Axiom, that helps to make it more effective. Now, these are some of the means we can say methods, or you can say when we open means, or we can say behind the scene things that mean helps us to reach to the SEO. So first is that creating an account on Google My Business. So even if you search on Google Maps and Google Search, first we need to create a Google My Business listing, the up-to-date information. It's simply like entering a complete data, then verifying the business location, working hours, photos, and managing and respond to reviews. So the photo that is appearing on the screen shows means how it's the UI of that page, means it appears like business name, the country, street address, city, state, zip code, like that. Now, how Google Maps means how behind the scene, or we can, if you have the heard word coding, that works. When we embed Google Maps in the website, so with the help of this API is like application program interface, means if I have to understand, means to the layman, it's like behind the scene thing, means it's the software that is working. It helps to give the, means it makes the map and the website, uh, it acts as a mediator between the map and the website. Means we are searching anything on the map, that what's the way to go to that place, and also there's a website of this that thing, and how to connect that map and the website, it is done with the help of Google Maps embed API. And this process is done with the whole with simple I1 HTTP request. Means if you search anything, it's like https www dot the name of the company.com. So we embed this Google Maps embed API URL. Means URL is the name of the company, that is www dot blank.com with the src attribute. I think this can be a bit hard, but like if you want to start the business and you want to create a website, it will be done with the help of software engineers. So it's their work to understand this and to do this. Now, means how to get on page SEO right, means how you know that it's the right way to do. Means to dominate the local search results, we need to get an on page SEO right. Means as I've told before also, uh, the two main factors that helps you to give the best results is it's first, the name should have the service that you offer and where it is. So in other words, if you want to tell Google, means your customer who are searching you on the Google, like what you're doing and where you are, like these are the key elements that you should focus on. First is the like the main tag. Main tag is the main thing. Then the meta tags, you can have some means the subheadings, but not too much, but one or two. Then uh, um, then we had the header tag. It is the main, means one or two line of definition that what your business is about, or what's the best you can add in one or two lines. Then the whole page content, because we see the websites, it has a complete slider that go from first page to the to the end of the page, the whole content. Then the images are really important if you want to show them like these are the way we offer the services, because images, more than writing, images articulate anyone the better way. Then obviously the name, address, phone on every page. um, it will means help you to make more and more connections. Sometimes we can get the bad search results, or like things can get failed, and then there are old school things that help you to reach the audience, like if they know you, they have your address, then the phone, like, on every page. Now, one of the most important thing, that is asking for the reviews. Reviews matter a lot in ranking. Like as I told before also, when we search anything, we get the list from 1 to 10. How search engine know that this one is at number 1 and this one is at number 5? Means any search result can be any number, but no, it is because of the reviews. If any business or any restaurant is getting the best review, is will be at the number 1, and the one that is getting the bad reviews will be at the last number. So reviews matter a lot. Even Google itself said that Google review count, means they count and score into the local search ranking. Like more reviews and more good ratings will, it's obviously improve a business local ranking. And also with the good reviews, even we as a customer also will go to the business that is having the best reviews. Means and there is nothing bad in the negative review. Even the best businesses that are now at the number one may have gone through with the means efforts of both mm, positive things and as well as the criticism. So it is good to have the negative review and then to improve with that thing, because business is also based on the customer also, like what the customer want. So if the customer don't like the thing, then businesses need to get changed as per their requirements. So never leave any negative review unaddressed. Means always address them in very honest manner, even though even the Google says that. So if we have to give some ways how we can improve the things, so always create a link on your website so that means people can leave any comment. Then to give it more authenticity, always add means links to the review sites in the email signature, and we can have a business card with the review site information. And also not the negative reviews, but always ask your happy clients to also to write the reviews. So reviews are really important, whether they're the good one or they're the bad ones. Now again, it's some computerized term, building local citations. Local citations are like, um, for example, we write the reports and we always refers um, the help that we have taken to write that report at the end. Means from this page we can means how we take the help. So local citations helps us to reach the website even if we are not there. Means for example, we are using Instagram, Facebook, we get the ads of the businesses, and how these ads appear, even if we are not searching, it's using local citations. Means your business should appear or it should be shown, even if we don't know means about it. So you should have like a business name, and that should include the local citation includes the business name, phone number, address, and the website. So this is the example, means how should be a like business should be. Means if we want to get the ranking by SEO, means address and the phone number, like simply on the website. So also, and Google consider local citations to evaluate the authority and the relevancy of the business. Means if you have the local citation, even the search engine automatically will help you to get more views and the reviews for your business. Now, the more ways to build the local citations. It means like without giving much of the effort or without asking for the people, let people automatically know like what your business is. As I said, like business local citation help your business build more relevance on Google and prominence as well. So you can get your business means get shown on Facebook, Apple Maps, Google My Business, Yahoo, PBRG. Means as I said, means automatically when your business is getting shown on like on any of the app or the website is help with the local citation. So it's a very important thing to know. So as I've already told, it helps to spread awareness about your business through site. And if you're seeing anything, or automatically if we're getting means relevant to it and we are able to relate it and we look at it. So it's an important thing to do. Now, how to distribute locally for focused content to build means links. uh, Means how the links website or the links between the website plays an important role in local means ranking. Means uh, like we say, if we know each other, so many other businesses in area, it will helps us to improve more. Means if we had the connections, we can reach anywhere with help. But some businesses need connection. Same way for the search engine also. If the websites know each other, for the other means the businesses know each other through through the computer system or the links, even they can get it. Means even they can reach at the far more audience. It's a very simple thing. Like some say, we know that the business of real estate works through if we know more and more people. Like we can say connections are important. Even on the search engine also, for the some businesses, connections are important. If one business through connection or one link through connection are helping the other business to reach to the audience, then it will be done through locally focused content to build links. Means we have to build links on the social media also. So for that, Google, that is doing all the work, it consider backlinks name thing to be trustworthy. Means it's all the means also the means behind the scene thing that backlinks work, that means that will help your business build more prominence on the other search engines. uh, to simply means, and you have to understand the layman or the audience, it's through the blogs, then the videos. It's like putting your ad in the other business or in the other videos, like that we can also help. We can also reach the wider audience. So what are the ways to create authentic local content? It's like connecting the local media to be featured in their stories. Then local influencers, means there are social media influencers, bloggers in every area. If we means reach to them who has the audience, we can create a name for our business. Then some guest post on the locally focused blogs. Then always invest on the local events. If we're having local events and we are means giving our ad, it will help. Means it will only help us to get a far reach. Business is all about the reach and and the connection. So whether you're doing it by yourself or you're doing it by the social media and through the computer, if I can say that. Now, how important is the social media? So social media and search engine optimization, I mean, nowadays very important marketing methods. Like if you combine them, you will get the awesome results. Also due to like COVID-19, also we can say social media has emerged a lot better in many good ways. Now, rather than interacting with more means on the social media, rather than going on the stores, we are doing the like the what will be the term, the shopping on their phones and the laptops. And also now social media has billion of active users, whether it was uh, before the pandemic or with during the pandemic. I mean, social media has nowadays means has a billion of active users, and everyone us also are on social media. So to meet the customers and a new prospect there, and also to know about what is happening around us, that we means we are unable to get to know through the connections and all, we can uh, we can know through the social media. And also social media is a great tool to grow fans, means who can work as your means advocates and can spread the news about your services, your product far and wide. Now we know so many people around our area, and we can say we can know about the Central Valley. But if your business is reaching to San Francisco, LA, or to out of the states like Seattle, it can be done, or it is getting done only through the social media. So it helps, like the things that I explained for the local citations and the backlinks. Local citations, as I told, also means if you're getting business mm, appear automatically, and the backlinks, it's like if your websites are getting connected, it is only due to the social media. So it's very important tool, or like the method, if one wants to enhance their business, and also for the starting businesses also. So with the addition of the local SEO efforts, when you had the social media, it will help you to build the trust. Means if you're showing that this is we're offering on, means every day, on the daily basis, we can gain more and more, and we're getting more relatable audience. Means these are the everyday things we are doing. And sometimes um, we suppose we go to a restaurant for the first time, and then we forget about it after 1 month or 2 months. But how, um, if we are able to see that restaurant through social media every day, it will help us to remind us. And also we'll think about it, that yeah, this was the best one. Now again they're, means, improving, or they're working better these ways. So local SEO effort with the help of social media helps to gain the trust. So and also there's a um, person named Tron Lingbo. He's doing big research on, means how social media, means on the search engine land. They said like when we synchronize social marketing campaigns with the important keywords, the audience will always use the keywords to to research about the business and find you on the top of the Google. So the keywords are really important thing. Like if I have to go to the nail shop, I'll search about like nail shop in Fresno. If the business is his name related to that, I'll automatically, or can easily reach to there. So nowadays, just one social media is doing all the works of like the articles, news story, the big social media profile, then ratings and everything, and and it will bring you the audience in the more automatic way. So that is it. Thank you so much. Hope you like our webinar. And in case you have any question, you can put at the bottom of our YouTube screen, and you can subscribe to our OCED page. Thank you.